go.
Hi guys! Today we making slime. We need to open this. Guys, we need to open. Oh, wow, guys, this is so colorful.
Let's help you out with that. We'll bring out the piece of cardboard.
John got glue. Whoa. Wow. We got more glue.
That's the magical liquid. Do you know what that does?
That just was mine.
It's the activator. Okay, why don't you open the spoon?
Okay. I can't open it.
Do you need help?
I can't open it, guys. You go back up. Ooh.
1 second.
Guys, sit down.
Which color do you want to do, buddy? Blue? You're gonna open it and you're gonna squeeze it, okay? I'm just gonna open it for you. Squeeze it out. You need help? Squeezing the banana? Okay, almost done. We have a little bit more glue left.
That's enough.
1 second. I'm going to go and water it down so we can get the most of our glue. I'll see you in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, that took a little bit of time to get the rest of the glue out, but we got it out. Right?
Yeah, guys, let's put this up.
Now we have to put the magical liquid.
Hey, give me.
I'll give you, you get to pour it in, buddy. Okay. Sorry guys for this. We'll see you again in 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, that was a bit of a struggle again. 1 second. Hey, it's already open! Anyway, so we're just gonna pour a little bit in the cap.
Give me it. Give me it.
Bambi, I'll give it to you. Don't cry. Everybody's gonna see you cry then. You're still recording. Okay, now add this into this line. Keep adding. Okay. Once we added that in, you can stir it up. Starting to become slime. Okay, I think we need to add a bit more.
Where?
Add a little bit more into the cap.
Then I'm gonna get the green with the other slime.
Okay, now mix it up.
Guys, we just see so much. I think it's slime. Let's see.
Almost slime. Now we just have to add a little bit more. Okay, now keep adding that up. Is it becoming slime?
Yeah.
Okay, we just need to... Okay, I'll mix it up for you. Ooh, yeah, it's starting to thicken up and become slime. We just need a little bit more activator.
What is activator? Ow!
Activator makes the glue slime. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. Mix it up, buddy. Mix it up. It's becoming slime. Right, buddy?
Yeah, guys, we're getting closer. It's slime.
Now you can touch it to see if it's slime. Ooh, that's still a bit goopy, buddy, guys. Okay.
Guys,
It's taking a little bit more time.
you know.
Oopsies. Okay, now mix it up. I added more activator.
Guys, we're getting closer. Now slime now.
Ooh, that's still a bit goopy.
Guys. And pull it in. I'll pull it in now.
You can don't pour all of it in, just pour a little bit. The thing about slime is you have to add a little bit at a time. Okay. Now mix it up, buddy. Because if you add too much, calm down, buddy. Just calm down. All you gotta do is flick it away, okay?
No. Darling, stop.
I know you don't like bugs. Oh, Gumby, look, it's coming together, buddy. Gumby, look.
I just pet bugs and kick bugs. It's slime.
Okay,
It's
we need to add
slime.
more activator. Can you add more activator?
Okay.
Quack. You need to squeeze a bottle. Okay. Now I'm gonna mix it up. I added like a lot more activator.
The bugs can be in here.
I think you're fine, buddy. Oh, hey, look, it's turning into slime. What?
The bug on the side, I just need it.
Yeah,
That's
you
so
were screaming a lot.
That's so funny.
Okay, can you add more activator for me?
Okay.
You have to add it straight from the bottle.
That's why.
I'm just trying to get everything out. Hands. Feels sticky and gooey. look at this.
Guys, can you watch it? This
We're
video.
not done. We're not done. We still haven't gotten a good slime.
Okay.
Okay, this is still kind of sticky. And I'm kneading it. See, look at this. Look at this. I got slime.
Ow. That hurts.
You gotta keep kneading it, buddy. You can't just touch it. You have to start stretching it like this. Otherwise, it'll just become glue.
Yeah, bye guys. Can you watch it?
We're not done. I can't even press the stop recording button because my hands are so messy. You haven't gotten a good slime, but I will achieve it. We will achieve it. Oh my goodness, look at this slime.
Bye guys. Can you
We're
watch
not
it?
done
Why?
because we haven't finished getting a good slime.
Ow, the slime hurts me.
No, you just gotta keep playing with it.
But it's so slimy fun. Ow!
See, buddy, look. I got some good slime, buddy. It's a bit sticky, but,
And it hurts too.
here. You gotta keep massaging it. See, like, you gotta keep stretching it.
I still have one.
Oh my goodness. Okay, just gotta keep stretching it and stretching it. I mean, you gotta keep stretching it. You can't just touch it and leave it. See, look. See, buddy. Look. See, I've got slime going. Gotta keep stretching it, buddy. Oh my gosh, look at this. That stuff. Okay, I think we need to add a bit more activator.
Look at my hands.
You're gonna get a bit messy.
Look at my hands. It's so webby.
Why don't you grab a piece of slime and start? See, look, my hands are starting to get a little bit more pink. Well, it's cleaning up the floor. This is glow in the dark slime. Did you know that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey, buddy, look. I got you some slime. Good slime. Okay, you have to keep stretching it, though. Keep stretching it, buddy. You'll get some good slime.
Don't take it to the ground.
No. Just keep stretching it, buddy. You'll get some good slime.
Ah!
That's exactly what I said not to do. Pick it up.
The fire was not
Pick it up with your other hand.
Okay.
Squeeze more activator onto your hand if you need it. Sorry guys, this is taking a long time.
Yeah, guys. See you later.
Okay, we are gonna pause because this is getting really messy, and we'll see you back when we get a good slime. Bye. Here's our slime that we made if you wanted to know.
Hey, we just gonna do thank you guys. Thank you watching.
But we need to show them the slime. We promised them.
No, guys.
I like
No,
your little
guys.
face.
No, guys.
Yeah, but this is our slime that we made anyways. Well, bye.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching this episode. Bye. See you
Episode.
next episode. Bye. See you next time.